Alright, so I'm just taking you guys for a short update on all the animals. Today's March 2nd. My other video, we did the goats. Showed you all the new baby goats, the new goats we just came to our farm. It's March 2nd, like I said, so it's really nice weather today. The animals are just enjoying the sun. Hey, pig, pig, pig. Hi, pig, pig, pig. Hello. Hello. Hi, pig, pig, pig. So the pigs are doing well, as you can see. Very well. Very friendly. Over here, I'm going to take you back to the cows next. So we are really getting things ready for summer and spring. We have videos of pruning. We're pruning our fruit trees, getting everything kind of cleaned up from winter and things like that for the animals, you know, getting all the waters fixed for summer and spring. We won't need the heaters anymore. Give me 1 minute. I need both hands to open this gate. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just had to undo that gate with both hands, but now we got through, and now the cows are back here. We just gave them hay yesterday, the cows and the goats, a new bale of hay. So now they'll be good for about a week. There's Ferdinand. That's the bull who comes over every winter, early spring, until the cows go across the street to our neighbors who owns Ferdinand, but we help him out by keeping him for a little while. Hi, Ferdinand. And we don't have any new baby cows yet. They will be coming, blackberry and strawberries babies will be being born probably April, May. Maybe late March. There's Nibbles back there. Hey, Nibbles. And Buttercup, our milk cow, next to Ferdinand. Now Clarabelle and, hey, Nibbies. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy boy. Hi, sweetie. You're so sweet. Clarabelle and Pickles, and probably Buttercup as well, have been bred just a couple toward the end of February, beginning of March, which is right now. And so they're gonna have their babies. It'll be sometime around fall, so that'll be really cool. We've never had baby cows. We have never had baby cows around Thanksgiving time, so that'll be really cool. Hi, Buttercuppy. They're just enjoying the hay and the sun. This one next to Buttercup is, let me see, that's Strawberry. So, like I said, her babies are going to be coming in April or May, and it'll be her first baby that she's had. This one right here, that's Blueberry. Now she's too little. She will not be bred this year. That's Blueberry. So she's too little. So next year she'll be bred. And that one is Clarabelle, of course. She's the mom of most of them. Hey, Clarabelle. Hey, Clarabelle. And hi, Strawberry. Hi, Strawberry. Strawberry always has this cute little hairdo at the top of her head, as you can see. It's so adorable. Right there. That's how we can always tell her. And it's kind of reddish, so that's really cute. And that's Clarabelle. And let's go see who we can find down here. People or cows, I mean, laying in the sun. Let's see what we can find down here. So this one is Fernando. That's our little bull. We are raising up to have our own bull. So he was just born last year, 2023, so pretty soon he'll be a year old. Hey, Fernando! Hey, Fernando! How are you? Are you eating some good sweet candy? Are you eating some good sweet candy? Yes, you are. They love these tubs. They're protein tubs. It's kind of like, has molasses and protein and vitamins and nutrients. That just helps, you know. Tastes like candy to the cows and goats. So they all, I mean, they love it. And it's good for them too. Because we don't feed our animals, our big animals, cows and goats. We don't feed them much feed. We mostly just have them on hay and grass, and then with the protein tub. So we like it to be more natural. Once in a while, when it's cold, you know, we do give them corn as treats and stuff, you know. So we do give that to them. Now here's Blackberry. She'll be having a baby too around April, May. Hey, Blackberry. Hey, girl, how are you? How's Blackberry today? How's Blackberry today? She wants to know what the phone is. She's like, I don't know what that is. And there's Jingles. That is our steer. That was Buttercup's baby from last year. We steered him because we didn't need so many bulls. Hey, Jingles. And then Pickles and Mistletoe are over here. Mistletoe is our new baby. Was born in the beginning. She was our first new baby of this year. And that was Clarabelle's baby. And that's Pickles. Hey, Picklies. And she had been Clarabelle's baby too from before. Hi, Mistletoe. Hi, you're so sweet. Yes, you are. Hi, pretty girls. Hey, pretty girls. So really, all the animals are just loving this nice weather. I mean, it's amazing. We're really blessed with this beautiful weather. Alright, well, that is just a little update on all the animals and what was going on at Steak and Eggs Farm in Iowa in the beginning of March. So as you can see, everybody's really just happy, relaxing, enjoying the weather, and just having babies, baby animals, and just looking forward to a wonderful year that God will bless us with. We thank Him every day and always put Him first in all we do. Thanks so much for our subscribers, and have a great day, and subscribe if you like our videos. We appreciate it. Bye.